You might be in a situation where for some reason your iPhone alarm just isn't going off. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. The number one thing I'd recommend doing here for the most part is making your way over into your clock application on your iPhone, clicking on alarm, and all you want to do is make sure that those alarms are properly set up and they're on. So what you can do in this case, I'll just go and add an alarm. I'll just go on this one. You want to make sure the alarm says that it's on like this. That's the very first thing. So as long as that green check mark is there, then you're good. Now the other thing you want to do is you want to tap onto that alarm and you want to find this repeat button right here. This is the one thing that it's always messed up for me. I don't know why. But what you want to do is you want to tap on repeat and you want to, if you want this alarm to be on every day, you want to go and just basically tap onto these things just like this. So tap onto those particular alarms like this, and what's going to happen is it's going to go ahead and basically turn on your alarm for each day. If you work Monday through Friday, you can go and turn it off for the weekends just like this. So now Monday through Friday, you're basically good like this. Or you can turn it on just for Monday, Tuesday, whatever duration of weeks that you want to go ahead and turn on, you can go and turn that on that way. So as long as these are all on, it's going to turn on for those particular days. Now another thing you may want to try doing and just double checking is to make sure that your alarm sound is on. So go inside of your iPhone settings right here, click on sounds and haptics, which is right here, and this ringtone and alerts, turn it up all the way where you can hear it. So just make sure you do that, and that will usually end up fixing the problem. Now if you're still having issues, you may want to go through and actually update your iPhone. There's a lot of iOS 17 issues with alarm clock issues. So go inside of settings, click on general, click on software update, and go and see if you can software update your phone. That will probably end up fixing the problem for you as well. So those are the main ways to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.